Guys, we got another one. Another one. It's gonna be on TV again.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm
Another
warning for
severe thunderstorm.
north central Fremont County and central Colorado, southwestern Teller County in central Colorado until 4:30 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Cripple Creek, or 26 miles southwest of Colorado Springs, moving north at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cripple Creek. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central Colorado.
It's gonna be on TV.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I'm holding my phone like this and waiting for the over on TV. Another one.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for north central Teller and northwestern El Paso County.
It's gonna be on TV, but here it is. That's a different one. The new one somewhere right here. Wait. I'm waiting for the TV. I don't think so. It's not gonna be on TV, but watch, it's gonna happen. What I told you. Second time in a row. No freaking way.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Fremont County.
What did I told you?
Colorado, southwestern Teller County in central Colorado until 4:30 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Cripple Creek, or 26 miles southwest of Colorado Springs, moving north at 60 miles an hour.
60 or 16?
60 miles an hour.
60,
wind
okay.
gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cripple Creek. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m.
Yeah, we're still under tornado watch.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. As severely injured as she was.
Free time in a row. 2 times I missed. Wow. Alright, another severe thunderstorm warning, guys. This just got even worse.